Mass Domnik, the real Mass, a carnival that stirs your soul, ignites your spirit, and connects us through all the music, the colors, and the energy that only Dominica can deliver. If you've ever dreamed of a carnival that is authentic, safe, all-inclusive, and affordable, then Dominica is calling you.
Monel Alexis, Public Relations Specialist for Mass Domnik 2025, is extending a vibrant invitation to the region to experience the energy and excitement of Dominica's Carnival, set for March 3rd and 4th in the Nature Isle. Organizers of the event have secured an airline partnership with Sunrise to ensure smooth travel to Dominica.
In celebration of Mass Domnik, we are pleased to offer special round-trip fare deals for travel between February 20th and March 8th. Starting at US $299 from Antigua and St. Kitts, US $329 from St. Lucia, and US $399 from St. Vincent and Grenada. All taxes included, terms and conditions apply. So no matter where you're traveling from, Sunrise Airways makes it easy for you to be a part of Mass Domnik. Visit our website at sunriseairways.net or contact your travel agent to secure your flight.
Makira George, Marketing Executive for the Caribbean at Discover Dominica Authority, highlighted a series of events that promise to deliver tradition, splendor, and authenticity during Dominica's Carnival. She emphasized the island's readiness to welcome an influx of visitors, showcasing its renowned hospitality for an unforgettable experience.
We invite you to take advantage of these improved travel options to experience the beauty and charm of the Nature Isle. I also wish to acknowledge the ferry service operated by Express des Îles, which facilitates daily travel from St. Lucia, Guadeloupe, and Martinique. We are also happy to present an array of accommodations with exceptional packages and exclusive rates tailored to each traveler. To secure your reservation, simply visit www.dominicafestivals.com. Head over to the Mass Domnik page and click on the Where to Stay tab. Our listings are regularly updated to ensure you have access to the latest availability and to keep you informed about fully booked properties.
Dominica's Carnival will not be without some St. Lucian spice, with soca artist Shemi J slated to perform at the highly anticipated Sunrise event.
This isn't about entertainment, it's a celebration of Caribbean culture, and I'm happy to be part of it. Thank you to the organizers for this amazing opportunity and to my supporters for always inspiring me. I can't wait to bring the energy of St. Lucia to Sunrise and make it an unforgettable experience.
As the countdown begins, officials urge travelers to mark their calendars, with Dominica inviting all to its celebration. Officials are imploring visitors to experience the magic of Mass Domnik 2025. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.